Hey, I'm back with another video, second video to be precise. And since I don't have a, how do I say, flair for editing videos, I'll tell you what the last video was about. So I'm here on a mission of sorts to get myself a Rolex by my 40th birthday, which is about a year away. And yeah, I'm gonna figure out ways to get that incremental money. I'm not going to touch my saving account. I'm not going to touch my FDs. I'm not going to touch my mutual funds. I'll figure out a way to get that money. And yeah, so back to today's video. So I realized that I haven't really put up the model that I want to buy after a year. So I'll put it up. I'll figure out a way to put that picture up here in the video. So the watch that I fancy is a Oyster Perpetual Date 41mm model. I like both green and the blue dial. I'll see what I want to finally settle with. But here's the catch. Yesterday in my video I said it costed about 6,50,000 rupees, right? But that's another model that I was looking at. So this one is about 10.5 lakhs. So I mean, I've got like I've already seen a hurdle on day one, but that's okay. I think we'll figure something. But so yeah, I've done a rough math about how much money would I need to sort of save or invest daily to hit that number. So just imagine if there's no interest at all on whatever I'm saving. I'd still need to put in about 2,800 to 3,000 rupees a day, including Saturday, Sundays to hit that number. And yeah, I can do that. So I've been exploring a couple of SIPs, and probably I'll choose one to start investing probably from today or tomorrow, because time is running out, right? Every day counts. And also, like a side note, like I have not been very successful when I invest on my own. So I have a great portfolio where when an advisor has asked me to invest in certain funds, it's done phenomenally well. Well, I have myself tried to invest in certain funds. It's not really done well. So probably I'm not really good at investment on my own. In fact, I've seen my portfolio. Some of the funds that I invested in, like last year, has only grown by like some 4-5%, which is like lesser than the FD. So that's a side note for myself as well. Like maybe consult someone smarter who understands investment. And yeah, so that's where I am at currently. And I've got some feedback from friends and family who saw the video yesterday, and one very pertinent question came up, is that that people assume that I'm already 40. So sorry to break it to you, I'm not. I'm 39. I have a year to go to be 40. But the funny part is that I looked 40 when I was 18. So I think that's not a bad thing, since I'm 39 and I just look about 40ish. So I'm gonna take that as a compliment. And the second part was that my videos look very raw and like 2010 types, where there's very little that's happening in terms of, it's like a single camera setup, and there's no graphic, there's nothing exciting, there's no different fast cuts. So I understand that. I think it's my limitation with in terms of video editing skills. But I think on the go I'll learn. I think I'll learn some fancy editing techniques, hopefully. And for today's video, I think I've managed to get like a video thumbnail cover. I got it generated through an AI tool. So I think that's a good start, right? So yeah, point taken, and I'll sort of work on it. So thank you for watching. I'll probably do some research today, spend some time, figure out if I can, which places should I invest in, right? And I'll also tell you about a story tomorrow about how I bought my first Harley Davidson when I was 25, 26, and I had a similar plan back then. Unfortunately, I didn't record any of the planning back then, but I'm going to tell you anyway tomorrow. So again, I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow on the vlog. So take care and have a great day.